Find Your Zen, a mindspace pocket guide. It is hoped this book can fit in your pocket or bag, perhaps along with your face mask. Who knows, during 1 week, which you could call My Zen Week, it could even replace your phone. Written between 2017 to 2020, it is Adam's third book. On his 42nd birthday, he decided to write 1 book a year for the next 8 years. Currently on track. He went through a period of time during the editing of this text when he was contemplating a Zen book with 100 blank pages. The first edition, in your hands, is full of words. Look out for the second one. Some Zen meditators are partial to being struck on their back by their teacher with what looks like a shoehorn at periods during their meditation. The author tried this approach in Kyoto and was pleasantly surprised by its effectiveness. After being struck, one bows graciously and returns to a refreshed meditation. For a while, there was a thought to include a complementary shoehorn with this text. The author's great-grandfather owned a shoehorn with a golf ball attached to the end. He was a keen and excellent golfer, scoring a hole-in-one on the old course in St Andrews on his 80th birthday. The author inherited this shoehorn. When it arrived at his home address, the horn was slightly damaged, meaning it could not be used for its intended purpose. It is currently in the author's garden next to a rose bush. There is a tradition within countries where Zen is practiced to create shrines to one's ancestors. At these focal points, one offers gratitude and makes intentions to live a meaningful life in honor of their kindness. The author was once at a business conference in the late noughties. He was invited to go into a dreaded breakout room with several other entrepreneurs to discuss how they could collectively save the world. They started by sharing what line of work they were in. The author responded, "Meditation." With great enthusiasm, the facilitator remarked, "Oh wow, meditation. That means you're going to help the group find their Zen." The author laughed nervously, hoping nobody was going to say, Not long after, one of the group did. At that very moment, the seed for this book was born. It made the author reflect on the word Zen and its use in everyday society. He filed the inspiration away for a rainy day during a global pandemic. Formally speaking, Zen is the Japanese pronunciation of the word Chan, which is a Chinese abbreviation for the word jhana, which is a transliteration of the Sanskrit word dhyana. That means meditation. Why find your Zen? Why not just Zen? Or Zen meditation? We all have enlightenment within us. We can find this by meditating. Our Buddha nature is unique to us. If you're up for it, find your Zen today.